Hi, I'm Michael Houston. I'm a district manager in the LA region with THK America. THK is one of the world leaders in linear motion products, and we're here at ATX West to showcase some of our products to the people here to try to promote visibility and see if there are any people that we can start working with, especially a lot of the factory automation people and plastics and medical devices as well. These emerging markets are where we're really focusing right now. So first, I guess I'd like to talk a little bit about our robot here. Our robot is, it was built by our mechatronics group in Japan. It's a prototype that we made to showcase how the products that we make can be used in a real-life practical application. So for example, in the shoulders, we have cross roller rings moving them around on an axis, ball screws articulating the arms, and the grippers as well we sell as a standalone product to put on the end of an articulated 6-axis arm robot. One of the products that we're showcasing here is one of our more famous lines, the SHS and the SSR, that are basically setting the standard in linear motion products. They both come with our patented cage ball technology, where the ball bearings inside are encased in a green resin that actually revolves around inside the carriage. And it's able to increase the lifetime of the guides from a regularly recommended greasing cycle of about 100 kilometers for a non-cage ball to 10,000 kilometers or a year for the cage ball product, whichever comes first. THK also has several different lines of ready-made actuators, the concept of which being, since we make linear guides and ball screws, to combine them into a ready-made solution for customers so they don't have to design them themselves. Here up front, we have some of our enclosed actuators that are used for clean room environments or caustic environments to prevent any type of particulate matter generated by the guide, grease, dust, things like that from escaping and contaminating the workplace. We also have a couple of actuator lines that are built out of our facility in Hebron, Ohio, so we can deliver them much more quickly as opposed to other competitors that have to import from overseas. Thank you very much for visiting our booth here at ATX West. We hope to see you soon at another trade show near you.